Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lacey and today is another day where we get the drill going, guys. So today I want to do, actually not I want to do, I am doing a general cleaning in my house, like to declutter or something, to change few things here and there. Nilikuwa nishaanza with the bedroom. Let me show you what I've done with the bedroom. Actually, I'm deep cleaning my whole house. So I started with my bedroom because I have time and my baby is not around. And today is on a weekend, but it's around 7ish p.m. But let me show you what I've done inside my bedroom. Then for the rest of the places we will do together. Let's go and I show you what. Yeah, so guys, this is my bedroom. Nisha make bed na nika change duvet cover. Then we are using two blankets, two duvets. So cause kuko na baridi. So this is the first one, this is the second one. This is ini cover ya simu yangu, guys. And those are my chargers. Nimechajia kwa hii socket hapa. So I'm done with the bed, but the floor is still dirty, as you can see. Then nimemaliza kukunja nguo, ndo hizo hapo. Nimemaliza nguo na eka jackets hapa na sweaters. So I'm done with that. Yeah, and on this part, hizi ni viatu za mtoto wangu za shule. Nataka kuzipanguza nizipake rangi. Sahizi we are going to do together, and that's my shoe rack, how it looks. Nimeiarrange na unaona viatu zangu zikuwa like hizi ni Converse juu nimezekanilia cause shoe rack ni ndogo na I'm not ready to change the shoe rack. So wacha tupanguze hizi viatu za mtoi pamoja.
I found a picture we took many years ago when I said to you we would never grow old.
Yes, so guys, nimezipanguza, so the next thing nitazipaka rangi. Alafu nimenotice hii wall yangu iko na spots za black. I'll have to wash it or something. Then here is my mirror na imevunjika, but hii ndio inakuwaga mirror yangu. Yeah, hii ndio inakuwaga mirror yangu. And hey, that's me. The next part, guys, I want to remove this carpet because I want to wash it tomorrow together with my curtains, those curtains. But let me show you. I'll first remove the carpet so that I can wash the house because I want to wash the house. I want to generally clean the house. So let's do this together.
Messages I've saved that I never send, cause I don't know you, but I used to back then. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time. For the first time in the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear.
Guys, wacha ni make things clear. I bought another towel. Let me show you. Okay, so guys, I bought another towel. And now my previous towel nimefanyika kuwa duster. So I'm using this one to shower and I'm using this one to wash the floor. The previous duster I had ilikuwa mbaya hadi sikuwa naweza kuosha nyumba, but sasa nikaamua kumake hii. So don't come at me ukisema ati natumia the same towel kuoga na kuosha hao.
I never thought I would see you here after all this time. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promise all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here. Try to replace you with somebody out there. If I didn't chase you, would you even care? And if I lost my mind, would you come around? I will keep you safe and sound after all this time.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one, no, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna feel. Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this moment. So turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Oh, yeah. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Yeah. Doesn't wanna fall in love.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I.
want to damage the fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. It's you and I.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Yes, so guys, I'm done with the cleaning. Sasa cleaning yenye imebaki ni washroom and wash the carpet, which I'll do tomorrow because nime realize I don't have omo. Hiyo ni omo ni actually ni powder soap. Si tunaitaga omo like any type, hata kama unatumia sunlight, hata kama unatumia toes, we call it omo. I don't know why, that's Kenyan. So tomorrow I'll do the, what do you call it? The washroom and the bathroom, washroom stroke bathroom. Then I'll do the carpet. We will do it together because, guys, it's a cleaning motivation. I normally like doing my own carpet, but nikiwa nimechoka mi hupeleka kwa car wash, ama ile time yenye iko extremely dirty mi hupeleka kwa car wash. But at the meantime, guys, I think that is all. I'm not sure. I think that's it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, see you on the next time. See you tomorrow, actually, or see you on the next video. I'm not even sure which video will come next, but see you on the next video.